Yoga Sammelana, Sangamam. So we, in fact, with experts. So the stalwarts, expert stalwarts only like inaugurated this initiation. What we have taken it. So in this, we have decided that we have to bring in all the trained yoga teachers who don't have the confidence in teaching. That is where the confidence goes. So when the complication arises, they don't know how to handle the case because they don't have a good support from the expert. So that is what we wanted to fill this gap,
Wow.
and that is what we are working on that.
Beautifully, wow. So, one more question. Just how Garbh Sanskar, Garbh Samvad, pregnancy yoga work to the baby? Because everybody knows it work. मतलब how it works and what you suggest कि कैसे कब से start करना चाहिए, कब तक करना चाहिए, कितने duration में करना चाहिए, when to stop or when to do. Please tell us, Didi.
Okay, Garbha Sanskar is the one, like the moment a woman, a couple's husband and wife decides that I want to plan, I want to become a pregnant, it starts from there itself. And that is where in yoga we have it like Shat Kriyas, we have to do it. Cleanse our like our body with the Shat Kriyas, and then asanas to strengthen our reproductive system, and then the pranayama, meditation for our mental well-being. So this, and Garbha Ahar also. We need to take a good wholesome nutrition food to prepare ourselves. It applies to both couples, and we can plan a baby, like what type of a child we wanted to invite the soul to the womb also. So that is where the challenge is. So we decide, we can plan. That is what the Garbha Sanskar plays an important role. And Garbha Sanskar is one of the Shodasha Sanskar, which is mentioned. And even in Ayurveda, they have a Panchakarma treatment and all those things. But when it comes to yoga, we have these kind of practices to be incorporate before their conception, once they plan their conception. So the 3 months they have to do it and all those things. Then once the women get a conception, confirm pregnancy is confirmed, then we don't advise. I usually don't advise first 3 months of the yoga because many women are delicate nowadays. So it
Hmm.
is not the same like earlier. Earlier we could do all kind of activities, home duties and all those things. Still we couldn't. We didn't had any challenges and all. So now it is becoming more challenges. That is why I tell them only limited pranayamas and all those things. And to continue the Garbha Samvad what they did before and during their first trimester also, and second trimester based on their